he sprung from his sleigh, to his team gave a whistle, and away they all flew like the down of a thistle. But I heard him exclaim, ere he drove out of sight, Merry Christmas to all, and to all a good night. Welcome back, guys, and today we're making a fantastic Christmas nightcap. This is And to All a Good Night. This cocktail was created by Tim Stuckey at the Presidio Social Club in San Francisco, and it's just a really good winter flavor, stiff sipping cocktail. So we're going to start with 1.5 ounces of bourbon. Next up, we want 3/4 ounce of a cherry liqueur. This was originally done with cherry herring. I don't have that, but I've got this Luxardo Sangue Morlaco, which I really like. So 3/4 ounce of your cherry liqueur. After that, we need 3/4 ounce of Reposado Tequila. So that's a weird ingredient to me. Tequila and bourbon in the same drink, but it works. So 3/4 ounce of Reposado. Next up, we got some bitters. We're going to do orange bitters, 2 dashes. I'm using Angostura. And then we also want 1 dash of classic Angostura aromatic bitters. And that's the drink. Those are the ingredients. So, let's get some ice. Fill our mixing glass. I got these weird chunks of ice that comes from my my clear ice mold. Don't let it go to waste. You can use these irregular ice pieces for mixing and shaking and all that good stuff. Just crack a cube, get it in there, fill that glass all the way to the top. Alright, and drop your spoon in and begin stirring. Like I always say, when we stir drinks, you want to go for about 15-20 seconds. You want to stir until the ice settles in the glass, and then you can stir with ease and everything kind of forms and fits. That's when you know there's enough dilution. You're good to go. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Hit that bell, get notified when we release new content, and follow me on Instagram, RobIMX. Okay, looking good. Just gonna move that off to the side. We're gonna get our julep strainer at the ready. We're gonna be serving this in a chilled Nicanora. Alright. Slow, sexy pour into our glass. Look at that. It's very Manhattan-esque. For garnish, we're going to do kind of a fancy orange twist. You could do just a simple orange peel, but I'm going to grab my channel knife and do kind of 2 turns of the orange, and this long strip of orange. And then we're going to do a little curling effect on it. So grab a straw. We've done this before, but I'll show it again. You grab a straw and then you carefully wind that orange peel all the way around. Keep it tight, but don't pull too hard. This peel was remarkably brittle, so that could easily tear and rip, so be gentle. So all the way around the straw, then we're going to kind of pull gently. Careful not to rip it. And when you remove it from the straw, look at that, it holds that shape, and you got a long, winded orange twist. Just a perfect garnish. So there you have it, guys. That is the And to All a Good Night cocktail. So let's give it a taste. So right off the nose, we get some citrus, we get some spice, a bit of sweet aroma from the cherry liqueur. On the palate, it's very spirit forward, bourbon right up front. That tequila's there, but it's not overpowering. It surprisingly plays really well with the bourbon. The Luxardo, the cherry liqueur, adds a good amount of sweetness. There's not much sweetness to this drink. It's a stiff drink, but there is a nice sweetness to it, a nice warmth. All the flavors just meld really well together. It's very appropriate for a cold winter night. If you like Manhattans, you'll love this drink. Give it a try. It's a great Christmas nightcap, aptly named after the famous Christmas poem, A Visit from St. Nicholas. It's just a really great drink, and if you're lucky, you won't break it after 2 sips like I did.
Oh, fuck me!
Alright guys, we will see you next time. We still have more holiday cocktails to come, all the way to Christmas and afterwards. Cheers.